The ability to know what you want, to create a positive direction for the mind, is at the very essence of the Feldenkrais method. One useful way to think about the brain is as a system. And it's not just the brain, but it's the nervous system is what directs and controls the activity of every cell of our body, that the body and the eyes are one system. The movement of the eyes organizes the movements of the body. It's an electrical system, so you can reverse the flow, which means that if the movement of the eyes controls the movement of the body, that means every muscle. That means your toes, your hands. Then improving the way the body works as an integrated system will help the eyes. We're reorganizing your brain to relearn or improve how it controls the visual system as well as the whole neuromuscular system of the body. Head, eyes, hands, the triangle against the floor. It's all one. Unifying the system. Follow it with your left eye. Take it in the other direction. Try following it with your right eye. Just, in other words, follow the sensations of the right eye as your right eye is watching the left foot. This is finding the middle. As babies, after birth, we learn to see with our hands. We're going to be using that thought the whole weekend.